Hello friends, I welcome you all to GK Update. Thanks for all the support that you have shown to our channel as we have crossed 500 subscribers. Please continue to support us in the future as well. In today's video, we'll go through the current affairs from the third week of June 2020. Watch this video till the end and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed already. So let's get started. Who has been appointed as the chairman of National Institute of Public Finance and Policy? The answer is Urjit Patel. Urjit Patel is an Indian economist who served as 24th Governor of the Reserve Bank of India from September 2016 to December 2018. Who were roped in by JSW Cement as brand ambassadors of their upcoming campaign? The answer is Sourav Ganguly and Sunil Chhetri. BCCI President Sourav Ganguly and football champion Sunil Chhetri will be the brand ambassador of JSW Cement campaign Leader's Choice. Who was elected as the president of 75th UN General Assembly? Answer is Volkan Bozkır. He is currently serving as the head of the Turkish Parliament's Foreign Affairs Committee. When was the World Refugee Day observed? Answer is 20th of June. World Refugee Day is observed on 20th of June each year and is dedicated to raising awareness of the situation of refugees throughout the world. Name the app launched by Punjab Chief Minister for house-to-house surveillance. The answer is Ghar Ghar Nigrani. The entire rural and urban population of Punjab above 30 years of age shall be surveyed as part of this drive. Who was recently appointed as the president of BMW Group India? The answer is Vikram Pava. Vikram Pava is currently the CEO of BMW Group Australia and New Zealand and has been with BMW Group since 2017. India has pledged rupees 2.33 crore to construct a sanitation facility at which temple complex? The answer is Pashupatinath Temple. The project would be constructed under the Nepal Bharat Maitri. The Pashupatinath Temple is located on the banks of Bagmati River in the eastern part of Kathmandu. Name the Attorney General who was given a one-year extension by the government. The answer is K.K. Venugopal. Venugopal was appointed as the Attorney General of India in June 2017. The Attorney General is the government's chief legal advisor. Who acquired Mapillary, which is a Swedish web mapping firm? The answer is Facebook. Mapillary is a service for sharing crowdsourced geotab photos and was founded in 2013. When was the World Sickle Cell Day 2020 observed? The answer is June 19. The International Awareness Day is observed annually with the goal to increase public knowledge and an understanding of sickle cell disease. Which country committed 200 million euros for India's COVID-19 response? The answer is France. Through this loan, France will work with India to increase the state and central government's capacities to support India's most vulnerable people in the COVID-19 crisis. Name the golfer who won the Charles Schwab Challenge in 2020. The answer is Daniel Berger. Daniel Berger is an American professional golfer. Charles Schwab Challenge was the first PGA Tour tournament after a 3-month break due to COVID-19. India's foreign exchange reserves crossed which figure for the first time? The answer is $500 billion. The forex reserve comprised of foreign currency assets, gold, special drawing rights, and reserve position in the International Monetary Fund. A tri-service contingent of 75 personnel from the Indian Armed Forces participated in which country's World War II parade? The answer is Russia. Victory Day marks the end of World War II and the victory of the Allied forces in 1945. Autistic Pride Day was observed on which day in June? The answer is 18th of June. Autistic Pride recognizes the importance of pride for autistic people and its role in bringing about positive changes in the society. Saudi Arabia's Public Investment Fund acquired a 2.32% stake in which company? The answer is Jio Platforms. With this investment, Jio Platforms has raised rupees 1,15,693 crore from some of the leading global investment powerhouses. Name the portal launched by West Bengal CM Mamata Banerjee for IT professionals. The answer is Karmabhumi. The portal is for IT professionals who have returned to the state amid COVID-19 pandemic. When was the National Reading Day celebrated? Answer is June 19th. The 25th National Reading Day was on June 19. It is celebrated to honor the father of library movement in Kerala, the late P.N. Panikkar. Which vaccine manufacturer will supply pneumonia vaccine to low-income nations under a new agreement with the UNICEF? Answer is Serum Institute of India. Pune-based Serum Institute of India is a leading manufacturer of immunobiological drugs. Hope you found this video useful. Share this video with your friends. Thank you and see you again in the next video.